ChatGPT now has a native add-in for Microsoft Excel. Here's how to install and use it. In Excel, look for the Add-ins button at the top right and click it. The Office add-in store will open. In the search bar, type ChatGPT and press Enter. You'll see the official OpenAI ChatGPT add-in. Click Add. The add-in installs in seconds. Now look at your ribbon. There's a new ChatGPT button. A sidebar will open on the right side of your spreadsheet. This sidebar is where everything happens. In the sidebar, click Continue with ChatGPT and log in with your ChatGPT account, the same one you use on chatgpt.com. Free accounts work with limited usage. Plus and Pro users get more agentic usage per month. Once signed in, click I understand. You can skip the next prompt. The sidebar will transform into a ChatGPT chat interface right inside Excel. I'll start with a blank workbook and ask ChatGPT to build a campaign budget tracker. I'll describe what I want in plain English, the columns, the rows, the channels, and a totals row with some formulas. Hit send. ChatGPT builds the entire spreadsheet directly in the Excel cells. Headers, channel names, and real Excel formulas in the totals row. This would have taken 10 minutes to build manually, but it only took a few seconds. Now I'll ask ChatGPT to update the spreadsheet. I want conditional formatting on the percent used column, green, yellow, and red based on thresholds, and a comparison bar chart. ChatGPT applies the formatting and builds the chart directly in Excel. There are no formulas to write and no chart wizard to navigate. Just describe what you want and it appears. You can also ask questions about your data. I'll ask which channel is most over budget and what percentage of the total has been spent. ChatGPT reads the actual spreadsheet values and gives me a direct answer. No pivot tables or manual calculations required. It's reading your real data and reasoning over it. That's ChatGPT in Excel. Install it from the Add-ins menu by searching for ChatGPT in the Microsoft Store, sign in, and the sidebar is ready. Build spreadsheets from scratch, update existing ones, and ask questions about your data all in plain English. Hit like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.